We'll guide you through how to download Microsoft Office on a Mac. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Microsoft Office is going to give you access to apps like PowerPoint, Excel, Word, and other apps as well. So it's really useful to go and have on your system. To go and get started with this, we need to go and open up a web browser. So I'll go and open up Safari like so. Now, what you want to do is go and search for Microsoft Office like so. And then what we can do is come down and find office.com and click here. So to go and get Office apps, you need to have an Office subscription, or you may be part of an organization which does. If you already have that, you can press sign in. Otherwise, you can click get Microsoft 365. You can choose your subscription here and we can go and get started. So I already have one, so I can go and press sign in. And I can go and sign in to my Microsoft account. Here we are, you can see I've got Microsoft Office 365 Personal. So then to get the apps, we need to press Install Apps in the top right, and the installer is going to begin. Now all you need to do is wait. When it's downloaded, we can then go and run it. You can also find it in your Finder in your downloads as well. So double click it and we'll go and get the installer and we can start going through it. Make sure you read and agree to the license agreement. You can then choose how you want to install it and press continue, change the location if you wish and press install. You need to enter in your password to confirm this and go and wait. When it's finished, it will go and say it was successful. You can press close and move it to the trash and close out of Safari. Now you can go and view the apps by opening up your Finder. You can press applications over to the left and we can then see the Microsoft Office apps. We can then go and open them up by double clicking and start using them.